Welcome back, children. Just now I told you what is message writing. Children, message writing is one of the common formal types of writing that we learn in our school. A message can be simply described as certain information we need to give to a person when we cannot directly communicate or contact them. Children, the format of a message mainly comprises elements like date, time, receiver's name, the message, the sender's name. Children, the body of the letter must be very precise, to the point. So now let's read some examples given on page 180. Children, example number 1. Chitra called Mrs. Sharma a furniture shop owner since she was not available. Her assistant Ganga answered. The following is a conversation between Chitra and Ganga. As Ganga was going out immediately afterwards, she left a message for Mrs. Sharma. Read the conversation and write the message in not more than 50 words. Children, Chitra called Mrs. Sharma, who is the owner of the furniture shop, but she was not at the shop. Mrs. Sharma was not at the shop. Ganga attended the phone call as she was the assistant of Mrs. Sharma. Now Ganga has to go somewhere, so she left a message for Mrs. Sharma. So now let's read the telephonic conversation, children. Chitra, is that royal furniture? Ganga said, yes, it is, as she picked up the phone. Children, who picked up the phone? Ganga. Chitra, could I speak to Mrs. Sharma? Ganga is answering now. Sorry, she is not here at the moment. Chitra, when will she back? Ganga is answering. Not before 6 in the evening. Can I take a message for her? Now she is asking that any message you want to give, please tell me. I will convey your message to Mrs. Sharma. Now Chitra is saying, yes, please. Could you tell her that she has to deliver the furniture ordered by me for my new house on 25th of... Children, here we have changed 25th to 30th of August, as the month is of August, not on 25th. She is saying you have to send me to my new house the furniture on 30th August, not on 25th, as she has booked before 25th date, but now she is changing the date to 30th. Ask her to keep them ready by 9 a.m. on 30th August. On 30th August. I will be sending a pickup van, and so she does not have to arrange the same. Now she is mentioning that she is arranging the van also. Ganga, yes, I will inform her. Thank you. This is the question, children. Now you have to write a message in a box. Write down the message above in capitals. Today's date, August 25th, 2021. Time, 10 a.m. Mrs. Sharma. Mrs. Chitra made a phone call to inform that you have to deliver the furniture ordered by her to her new house on 30th August. The change date is 30th August and not on 25th August. No, before we have decided to 25th, but now she has changed till 30th. Everything must be ready by 9 a.m. on 30th August. She's saying that everything should be ready till 9 a.m. on 30th August. She will send a pickup van. At last, who is sending the message? Ganga. Clear now? Now let's read the second example here. Read the following telephonic conversation between Sheila and Raghu. The call was for Raghu's sister Rani. Sheila and Raghu were conversing on the telephone. The call is for Raghu's sister Rani. As Raghu was going out immediately, he left a message. Write the message in not more than 40 words. Sheila: Hello, could I speak to Rani? Raghu: May I know who is speaking? Rani has gone out. Here's her brother Raghu speaking. Sheila: I am her friend. Sheila: Could you tell her that one of your friends, Tina, has met with an accident and is admitted to St. Mary Hospital? Raghu: Oh, how unfortunate. Sheila: Tell her that I am leaving for hospital as the visiting hours between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Raghu: I will definitely convey the message. Sheila is saying then, also tell her to inform Balu about whose telephone number I am not sure of. Raghu: I will do that. Thank you. Now, a friend, Sheila, called for Rani. The message is for Rani, Raghu's sister. And Rani and Sheila's friend Tina had met an accident and now she is admitted to St. Mary's Hospital. So, they want to meet in the meeting hours, that is visiting hours, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now he will convey the message. Now how you will write the message, children? First of all, you have to make a box. Always remember. Write message above, children, in capitals. Write down today's date. Change the date, children. Time. Okay. When you are writing that, you have to write the time. Write here 25th August. What you will write here, children? 25th August 2021. Dear Rani, your friend Sheila called to inform that Tina has met with an accident and is admitted to St. Mary's Hospital. She will visit the hospital between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. She also wants you to inform Balu about Tina. Raghu is leaving the message for Rani. Clear, children? Children, have you understood message writing, how to write? First of all, the main point is that you have to read the question properly, understand in your own language, and then follow up with the writing message in the box. That is, the body of the letter should be very precise, to the point. So main thing is to read the question 2-3 times, understand it, use simple easy language for the body of the message writing. Remember the format always. If you want to score the full marks, you have to remember the format, and to the point you have to write, and remember the message should be in the box provided. Okay, box is very compulsory to draw at the end. Now children, your homework is to write these message writing examples in rough copy and you will send me in the query time. Okay, these two messages which I told you have to copy in your class 4 copy. First message Mrs. Sharma one, and the second one Rani message you have to copy in your class 4 copy with question. Remember to make a box at the end. Thank you children. Have a nice day.